Hey there guys, and welcome to another video of the Curious Explorer. Today I'm at Green Cay Nature Center in Delray Beach, Florida.
The Green Cay Wetland is in the middle of the city. This wetland was created as one of the conditions of Ted and Trudy Winsberg when they sold their farmland. Plants were brought in to create the wetland, and nutrient-rich water was pumped in by a wastewater treatment facility. The wetland acts as a massive natural filter. It filters out the nutrients and returns the water to the water cycle. So there's a big problem in Florida where nutrients that come from fertilizers like phosphorus and nitrogen create algal blooms that choke out plants and animals that live in that water. Now, a plethora of birds and animals live on the 100-acre wetland. There is also a 1.5 mile long raised boardwalk that goes through cypress swamp and hardwood hammocks in the wetland. It was exciting to walk through the wetland and see all the birds and animals. Another great thing about this amazing nature center is that entry and parking is free. If you're looking for a cheap getaway, this is the place for you. The nature center also has a huge variety of birds, going from herons to egrets to ducks and even a few hawks. Based on our research, there's even more birds and even more variety when it comes to the breeding season in the spring. Green Cay has many ecosystems, including a freshwater prairie and hardwood hammocks. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the wildlife of Green Cay Nature Center. A lot of fun enjoying this park and all the beauty of it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And together, let's continue to explore.